Hey, it's Doug.
Sheldon.
It's not What's in the Shop Wednesday.
No.
It's What's in this shop today, which is an XM, the most expensive BMW made right now. This is the red label edition. What do you know about this car, Sheldon?
Yeah, super cool. First, I love this color. The matte black everywhere is super sweet. As far as specs go, I know it's a 4.4 twin turbo V8, 0 to 60.
It's a hybrid also.
Yeah, hybrid. So it's got everything going for it. The instant power to kick in too. 0 to 60, I think it was like high threes, 3.8.
Yeah, 3.7 or so. Yeah, and this is a 6,000-pound vehicle, which means it would qualify for a tax write-off.
Take your whole family hot rodding in this thing.
Yeah. Well, let's take a look. So what are we doing to this one?
Yeah, so it's actually a full wrap trifecta. So we already did the window tint. Now we are wrapping every painted piece of the vehicle. So everything that is satin will stay satin. Everything that's gloss will stay gloss.
Yeah.
Whole vehicle. After that, we will still ceramic coat it, even though it's a satin finish.
Yeah, exactly. Which won't make it glossy. It just basically protects the film from, makes it easy to clean.
All the same effects on your paint it'll have on the film.
Yeah. And this is not how this vehicle comes, minus door handles. We remove the door handles. Tell them why we take the door handles off.
Yeah, we take those off. That way we can do a seamless wrap. Otherwise, if the handles were on, you'd have a cutout around this.
Yeah.
Which, especially like on a white or black vehicle, will get real ugly over time.
Yeah, exactly.
So we want is, we kind of do a hybrid style where we're not bulk wrapping everything, but we can kind of do some hybrid and custom in here. That way there's, less seams, less edges.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, we end up not having that seam like you said. We wrap the doors, or it's all wrapped inside.
Exactly.
Seamless look, and for a vehicle like this, it deserves the extreme treatment.
Absolutely.
And being a red label edition, so we see some red accents.
Yes.
And I know some of them come with this big trim piece is red, and then the grill's red, and you either love it or hate it.
I hate that. So
Yeah,
I was very thankful when it showed up and it had the black accent.
No offense if any of our customers buy one like that.
I haven't seen it in person. Maybe it looks better in person, but pictures, the red's just screaming at you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, the window trim, like you said, is red. The grill is red. This one black, and also this grill lights up.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah,
it's
that's
very
really cool how you can make the grill light up.
Yeah, man, this thing is a beast. So to keep the stealth theme going, we have this TRX beast of a truck. Looks incredible. It's also black. The difference with this truck is that it came in glossy black, and we're making it matte black.
Exactly.
Whereas the XM came in matte, and we just put matte film on it. So you can
Exactly.
do either or.
Yeah.
So in a perfect world, you could take your glossy car and make it look just like
Yeah,
this.
that's the look you want, just like what he's doing.
Yeah, and this is a local celebrity's truck too, which is pretty cool. And it's a beautiful truck. And we just did a Z06 for this guy.
Yep.
Also in the same stealth film, same black. I bet these will look so cool parked next to each
I'm
other.
excited to see them together.
Yeah,
For
definitely. Sure. So tell me about the truck. What all's it getting?
Yep, so like what you just said, full vehicle paint protection film to give it the stealth look. After that, we're going to ceramic coat it too.
Yeah, and speaking of ceramic coating, we have an incentive for March that we're doing on ceramic coating. What you want to share that?
Yeah, that incentive would be if you're here to get paint protection film, you're gonna wrap, do one of our packages like the full front, partial front, any of those paint protection film packages. If you would like to add a ceramic coating while you're here, sedans will be $12.99. We'd be knocking $300 off.
Yeah.
Same thing for a truck, SUV, whatever the initial price is, you'd be looking $300 off.
Yeah. So like on a sedan, they get a 5-year ceramic coating, and it would be $9.99 instead of $12.99 when they add it to the package.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if you're here for ceramic coating and you want to add paint protection film, you get that same.
Vice versa.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So Shelly, just like the ShamWow commercials, but wait, there's more. We have another vehicle. This is a brand new M3 CS, came straight from the Performance Center from one of our awesome customers. And this car has got a frozen paint job, and it's also getting a stealth film.
Yep.
So what do you think about it?
Love it. I love the accents because he will be getting gloss on like the carbon fiber stripes and everything else. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Interior all carbon fiber too. I love it.
Yeah, the wheels has really gotten my attention. I love the wheels.
Any CS wheel.
Seriously, I love everything about this car.
Yep.
But no pun intended. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. And but we appreciate you for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.